Kick-ass facts. Weird human body stuff. Pew, 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 pew. Being on your period can change your voice. The condition has been called dysphonia premenstrualis and causes symptoms including decreased vocal efficiency, reduced flexibility, breathiness, fatigued voice, loss of high notes, hoarseness, intonation problems, and muffled voice. European opera houses used to offer singers grace days when they were on their period for this reason. Not related to your voice, but the French used to think having period sex would lead to monster babies. Mayer-Rokitansky-Kuster-Hauser syndrome, henceforth MRKH, is a rare congenital disorder that affects the female reproductive system. This condition is characterized by an underdeveloped vagine and uterus. The uterus may be small or absent, and the vagine is typically shortened. One of the most defining symptoms of MRKH syndrome is a lack of a period by age 15. People with this condition are also affected by uterine factor infertility due to the underdevelopment of the uterus and the upper vajayjay. There are surgical and non-surgical treatment options, including vaginoplasty, vaginal dilation, and a uterine transplant. The smell of lavender and pumpkin pie can increase penile blood flow by 40%. A 2004 study examined how smells impacted arousal in men, and it turns out that some scents are hornier than others. Lavender and pumpkin pie was the most stimulating, but black licorice and donut also had a strong impact. A surprising discovery deep in the lungs of living people has revealed just how significant the accumulation of plastic in landfills and nature is, and some potential implications for public health. Microplastics were found lodged in the lungs of 85% of patients undergoing surgery, 11 of 13 people sampled. Tiny particles from materials frequently used in single-use bottles and plastic packaging were the most common. One of the researchers said, "We did not expect to find the highest number of particles in the lower regions of the lungs or particles of the sizes we found. Why is this concerning?" Immune system dysfunction and metabolic issues are health concerns that have been linked to particles as well as abnormal organ development. Your body position affects your memory. A 2012 article found that sitting and looking downward makes it easier to recall negative memories, while sitting upright and looking upward makes it easier to recall positive, empowering memories. As of right now, there are 21 known species of human, with the most recent having been discovered in 2018. Scientists have also discovered hybrids of some human species, such as a girl with a Neanderthal mother and a Denisovan father. Denisovans are close relatives to both modern humans and Neanderthals and likely diverged from these lineages around 300,000 to 400,000 years ago. They are more closely related to Neanderthals than to modern humans. Longer ring fingers indicate higher levels of prenatal testosterone in the womb. Since the original discovery by an evolutionary biologist in 1998, his findings have been duplicated across a number of studies that confirm that people with longer ring fingers are better at sports. Likewise, there is some evidence that men with long ring fingers display more physical aggression.